Why does your scanner show the P0848 engine code? What does it mean? P0848 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor, or switch B, circuit high. It indicates the transmission fluid pressure sensor is sending a high voltage signal to the PCM, potentially due to a wiring problem or a faulty sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed sensor. Wiring problems. Internal transmission problems. Faulty TCM. Low transmission fluid level. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.